What's going on, dear viewers? Today I'm going to be showcasing you my ultralight backpacking cooking system that I personally take with me on all of my outings and adventures. Dang airplane. But here it is. Let's just jump right into it. So here's my pot, and first thing you'll notice is that I have this little cleaning thing that I got from, I think it was just a gift from someone else, but that's to clean the whole pot when it gets dirty, because I cook a lot in here. And so this is the 750 milliliter pot, 3.9 ounces, and I got the addition of the bail handle because I live out in the Smoky Mountains, and so you can do quite a lot of cooking on a fire. And so the contents inside, here is a Coughlin's salt and pepper shaker. Very handy to use. I recommend it to anyone, as you can see. Salt and pepper. And then here I have the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. Amazing stove. It didn't quite work for my Stanley 710 milliliter pot. A little top heavy, but there's that. And quick little just big lighter. And then the fuel inside. And so that is my main pot. Sorry for the background noise, but here are the contents of the inside of my pot. Now you'll see that this Snow Peak Spork cannot actually fit in here, which I hope in the future to add a folding titanium spork from AliExpress, but as it is not here yet, I will just be using this on the outside of my pack. This is probably as efficient and affordable as a high quality cooking system can really get. I mean, you got MSR over here that it's very wind resistant and it just will not let you down. Excluding the fork, the pot comes in at just 13 ounces. Now, is it a perfect backpacking system? Not quite. It does have its caveats, such as this dish scraper. It works all right, but for getting food out, it does not do the best. So this will be upgraded in the future. For affordability, it's pretty good, but there also are more affordable options, such as just using a regular stainless steel spoon in your kitchen drawer. It works just as well. There really isn't any problem with it. I mean, it's a little heavy for what other people would like, but it's a spoon, so it works. And here is also a Walmart $5.74 stainless steel cup, and it works just as well as my current TOAKS cup. It's a perfect cup, perfect price. I recommend it to everyone out there. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will be making more YouTube videos, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you all later. Trek on.